NordVPN coupon code. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about a brand new method through which you guys can of course get yourself a NordVPN coupon code for absolutely free, and in the description you guys are gonna find a link to get yourself a NordVPN coupon code that is gonna help you guys save so much money on NordVPN that you guys are honestly gonna thank me in the comments down below. So coming on to nordvpn.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna be seeing. Now over here up top you guys can see my exact IP, which means that NordVPN is literally tracking every single thing that you guys do. And over here you guys can also see that they have been featured on Buzzwire, HuffPost, Forbes, TEDx, and BBC as well. You can also get secure and private access to the internet using it. You can also protect all of your devices. You can also enjoy a fast and stable connection anywhere in the world. And they have been featured by some of the biggest names in the world. They have been given awards as well. They were given the award for Best VPN for Android in 2021, PC Magazine's Editor's Choice, Expert Reviews, Best All-Round VPN, and Forbes Advisor Best VPNs 2021. They have also been endorsed by some of the biggest YouTubers out there, such as PewDiePie, Casey Neistat, Philip DeFranco, and all of them have good things to say about the VPN. So coming on to their pricing, over here in their pricing, you guys can basically see that for their monthly plan, NordVPN is going to cost you $11.9 per month. For their plus plan, it's going to cost you $12.89 per month. For their complete plan, it's going to cost you $14.1 per month. And you will also be given a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. And basically, that is absolutely amazing. And you guys also have the option over here to basically see that they have been trusted by tech experts. And over here, you guys can also see that they have been featured on some of the biggest names in the world. So you can literally get started with NordVPN right away. And be sure to check out the link in the description below, and you guys can literally shave off a few more dollars from these plans by using our exclusive link to an exclusive NordVPN coupon down below. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.